My name is Ali Raza. I am going to present analysis and recommendations for Dognitions.com. What is Dognitions? Dognition is a website who provides services for dog lovers who eager to know about the dog intelligence by the different games. The by different games, the Dognitions find the dimensions of dogs, and the result of their game is in their profiles. Now, what is my problem? What is the problem that I analyze? I my I analyze to increase the number of tests a user completes or the attraction of users. Now, by the trend graphs or by test by breed graphs, it shows the drop of rate reveals three trends occurs when a subcategory is still in progress. The drop of rates after 20 reveals the game is complex or technical that discourage the users. So by monthly charts, the monthly chart shows or it clearly indicates the test rate is increased in October or decreased in December or January. No, but this graph is clearly indicates the customer want to play the most game with their dogs in Sunday or want to play at hour is 7 p.m. But different graphs is in Monday the customer want to play at 7 p.m. In Saturday the customer also most want to 7 p.m. So in this we realize the customer want to play the most games at 7 p.m. or in the day Sunday. This graph is indicates the percentage of tests completed by free users or the percentage of tests completed by the users by subscription users. This graph is clearly indicate the free users is complete more games than the subscription users. The percentage who complete 20 tests in this graph is clearly show the users who completed full is 23%. Users who complete the full 20 tests in this now we indicate is indicates USA has more recognition subscriptions and in this the California, New York, Florida, Texas played the most games according to the graphs and different slides, different charts. My recommendation, the Dognition provide better training videos or provide more services. Play games peak hours, usually 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday or Sunday, and 1 to 3 p.m. on other days. Expand the free state user program according to this slides. Oh, target country US and target the most five states California, New York, Texas, Florida, and New Carolina. Get feedback from users where they drop out eye contact games in the empathy subcategory. Send promotions and reminders on emails and social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and other Instagram. Contact the social media events or implement achievements to keep user engaged. Thank you.